Sia Ropati. One of Jesus' favorite disciples, John, says in his writings, "By this we know love, that he laid down his life for us, and we ought to lay down our lives for others." This is a picture of how you are. You're selfless and caring, always putting others before you, making the best decision to become one with you, my best friend, my soulmate, my queen.
Morning, come quickly. You're holding my breath this time, and I'm nervous. I see what's happening. A park bar, still standing by, and I couldn't find the words to say. The feeling of the weight I promised I would say it all to you if I could.
Sia Ropati. Life hasn't been the same since our relationship started. You're selfless and always caring, always putting others before you. You expect nothing back in return. You give unconditional love. What an honor it is to do life with you. And I thank you for challenging me to become more loving and caring towards others. I'm humbled and privileged that you have chosen a stubborn man like me. All that I am, I give to you, and all that I have, I share with you. Ora tautingonga le nei, I luma le atua. Whātasi mai o e moli mau I le nei aso.
And I couldn't find the words to say. The feeling of the weight I promised I would, but I couldn't find the words to say. The feeling of the weight I promised I would. Say it all to you if I could.
I, Sia Ropati, take you, Michael Jason Ropati, to be my lawful wedded husband. From friends to best friends, and now making the biggest commitment, entering the most important covenant. I am grateful to God that we have continued to persevere and persist to get here. It really showed me, preparing for this day, why I'm marrying you. You complement me in so many areas, and your strengths are my weaknesses. Thank you for honouring me this far and never giving up on us. I promise before God to be your loving and faithful wife. I pledge to love you as the church loves Christ. From today, I give up my independence to be joined with you in marriage, to be your loving and faithful wife, to you and you alone, to have and to hold from this day forward. With God as my help, I promise to love and cherish you with all of my heart, here until forever. I love you always, through thick and thin, till death do us part. This is my solemn vow.
Sia Ropati. With this ring I pledge to you, in the name of Jesus, our Lord and Savior.
Michael Jason Ropati, this ring I pledge to you my whole life and my undying love, in the name of Jesus, our Lord and Savior.
Tui, thank you. Thank you for all the wisdom, memories, and love you've brought into this family. Since beginning of my time, I can't remember a time where you weren't a third parent to us.
You're the end of a long road, the start of something worth hope.
For 21 years, I've watched you throughout your whole journey of life, to now standing by your side while you marry your best friend. Mike, from today onwards, as we give our sister and daughter, promise me that you will love my sister through the good and bad days. Ele ole lango sa singasa ai ole lofa famone ya leisi is what my grandpa would have said today. In saying that, I wish nothing but love and happiness in this new journey you two are about to enter.
A house is just a house until you fill it up. A life's just passing time until you fall in love. There's a king for every castle, a queen for every throne. So baby, take my hand, let's make this house our home. Yeah.
Michael, you mean a lot to me. Growing up, it's only been us two. Mum and Dad has always relied on you to do everything for us. But now that you're moving out, it's time for me to step up and look after Mum and Dad. I love you heaps, bro. Michael kind of inspired us. He pretty much sat me down and talked me and Sia getting married. I want you to be there for when we have kids. Even Mum and Dad always talk about how they don't know how Michael got you. I just want to thank both of you. You've been a big impact in my life.
A house is just a house until you fill it up. A life's just passing time until you fall in love. There's a king for every castle, a queen for every throne. So baby, take my hand, let's make this house our home.
This is our right hand. Very strong boy, humble and lovely. Love us, love the family. Was actually a silly no start. That's why I miss him. I put my faith to him. I trust him a lot. If you leave us, look after Sia.
Think I got the chance, and I ain't gonna waste it. Honey dripping romance, and the hours have faded. This world keeps going round and round, so there ain't no use feeling down. We're much better together, I know. This is our time. It's a crazy cosmic journey. I feel fine. Something so right. This is our time. 'Cause I'm tired of trying to walk the dotted line. There's no waiting, hesitating, baby. This is our time. This is our
tala ia lu mau le lua ia fani o le lua no fu le ia lua mafuta i le tua ia so uma.
It's the day I was dreaming about you and me forever. I woke up with the feeling like together. I can't believe it, what I'm seeing.
March. Well, welcome to the family. You do her wrong and I'll do you wrong, yeah?